Is your Instagram swiped horribly feature playing up? Let's get it sorted. It can be frustrating when a simple swipe doesn't work. Here's how to fix it. First, ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to your app store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. If updating doesn't help, try clearing the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, find the Instagram app, and clear its cache. This won't delete your messages. Now, test the swipe reply again. This usually does the trick. If it's still not working, try closing and reopening the Instagram app. Still no luck? A full device restart can often resolve deeper issues. Power off your phone, wait a moment, and then turn it back on. Once your phone has restarted, open Instagram and try the swipe reply. If all else fails, report the issue to Instagram. Go to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings, Help, and finally report a problem, explaining that the swipe reply feature isn't working. You should now be back to quickly replying to your Instagram messages.